Guys, what's up? We are going to be making a fortune teller, but before that, make sure you like and subscribe and enjoy the video. We have a square piece of paper. I just wrote the numbers down because I know how many steps there are. But first, we are going to be folding this corner, and this corner, and this corner. I just have my numbers written on it because I know what steps there is. And then you fold it like this, which is coming into a little circle. Okay. And then you fold this, which you can see the little numbers, and you put like finger, thumb, and finger, thumb, and then leave your fortune teller, and then you can open it up, just do this, and there you go. We are going to be having our little block and coloring it in. You can do the coloring bit yourself. Now we're going to do a rainbow colour. First we're starting off with red. So we done the pink, we done the black, we done the red, and we done the orange. We need to do green, grey, yellow, and green or blue, whatever I said. Because we need two colours, because there's two to colour. Now let's see what it looks like. Oh, look how it looks like. Isn't that cool? Now for the fortunes, or dares if you want to do dares. I'm just going to use black, or you can use pink or whatever colours there is. Okay guys, I have finished off the fortunes or dares or whatever you're doing. So you can set these little colours to the side. Well, if this looks close. Now we have our fortune teller, and would the cameraman pick a number?
5.
3, 4, 5. And a colour?
Red.
No, another colour.
Blue.
As it says do the floss. I will explain my dares. It says do the floss, and as the cameraman he has to do the floss. Let's see how he can do it well. We filmed it, but we didn't. The memory card got deleted because cameraman deleted it on purpose because he wanted to. That is true. I can see you shaking your head. That didn't happen. Alright. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.